pause the video. I think I was doing some mistake. In fact, it was correct. Yeah. The only mistake is okay. Let's strike this one. So I was just stating you have input stream 1, output stream 1, output stream 2, and then 1 kilogram of E per hour. So here is 0.25 kilogram of A per hour. So here what is in the output stream? You just subtract this value. It should be 0.75 kilograms of A per hour. Yeah? So I was exactly solving this problem. You have some system where something is happening. Say your input stream goes at a rate of 10 kg per hour, and then in your output stream goes at a rate of 5 kg per hour, and another output stream goes at a rate of 5 kg per hour. I said the if input stream contains 10% A, and this one contains output stream 1 contains 5% A. So what's the percentage of A in the second output stream? So 10% of 10 kg per hour is 1 kilogram per hour. This is for, so we are performing like mass balance for component A. So how much mass of A goes in, so that should be the mass of A comes out. So we are performing mass balance for compound A. So so input of A, that should be equal to output of A. So that should be equal. So we know 10% of 10 kilograms per hour is 1 kg per hour. So in output stream 1 we get 5% of 5 kg. So that should be equal to 0.25 kg of A per hour in output stream 1. So therefore in output stream 2 that should be equal to input minus output 1.
Good evening from Belmont University at National